Good morning, people from Cancún Light TV. This is a new video. We are here at Playa Azul or Playa Chac Mool. Chac Mool Beach is near here. People is cleaning the beach are volunteers, most of all, authorities too. Sargasso is far away from Cancún right now. We are clean. The water is clean, and you can see it here. We're gonna move over the coast. You see no sargasso. Some say there is a island of sargasso in front of us about 500 miles from here, but now it's clean and you can see it. I hope you like this video. Subscribe and don't forget notifications bell for new videos. Okay, today is 28th of June of 2019, Cancún Light TV, and this is Playa Chac Mool, back to Forum shopping mall. People keep arriving here to clean the beach, volunteers, authorities, and everything. It looks good.